Hello and welcome to this brand new Python tutorial. In this series, we will be learning how to program in the Python programming language. This course aims to teach programming fundamentals to those who are interested to delve in the world of programming, designed for beginners and is a project-based approach. So after each chapter, the students are expected to have completed a real-world program that can be used by others. Students are not required to have any programming knowledge. A basic understanding of how to use a computer is essential, but of course, if you want to learn programming, you must already have a knowledge in computer, right? So let's begin. If at this point you don't want to start setting up your development environment, there is an option. You can use online Python interpreters. One of those is using this link. Now, if you want to go to the path of setting up your development environment, you're going to need two things: the Python interpreter and a text editor. In this course, we are going to use Visual Studio Code as our text editor. You can use anything you want if you have others installed, but this is what I will be using in the demonstration of codes in this course. Now, make sure to install it if it's what you're going to use from the link provided in the description. Just follow the installation prompts and use the default values. To install the Python interpreter, go to this link. Make sure to install the latest version of Python. At the time of this recording, the latest version is 3.12. There is only one thing to note and remember here. During installation on Windows computers, at the first prompt, the installer will have a checklist of installation parameters. One of these is the include Python path to environment variables. Make sure to check that box, as it is not checked by default. If you check the box to include Python path in the environment variables for Windows and successfully installed the Python interpreter, and you have successfully installed Visual Studio Code or your editor of choice, you are now good to go. To ensure that Python is installed on your system, open your terminal for Mac or Linux or command prompt for Windows users and type in the command Python. Your terminal should show the interactive interpreter for Python. This is from my terminal. As you may notice, I typed in the command Python 3. It's because I have both Python version 2 and 3 on my system. In your case, you may just enter the command Python. If you see the Python version you installed, then you now have Python interpreter working. Congratulations. See you in the next video.